Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the bootstrap-vue and how you can use the form file. And I will not show you how you can upload the file with the server side. I will only show you how the client path would work. And that's what we're going to speak on today. And I will have a small little difference cases here. And yeah, I think that's it for now. And then we are almost ready to starting. I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel to support my videos, and if you have any questions, please make a comments below and I'll try to answer them for you. And of course, I'll really be happy if you want to like and share, and remember, all my code will be on GitHub and you can find the link in the description. Thank you so much, and let's starting to code something in Vue.js with Bootstrap. So let's creating the basic model first. With the bform file, and inside this one we need to say vmodel file1, and then we can go inside and say placeholder, choose a file or drop it here, drop placeholder here, and the drop file here. And then we can just say new class mark in top tree, and then select it. It's while or file name. File1. There we go. And going down here to data. And what we're gonna do now is null. So let's go back for the browser and see what's happening here. Selected file. You can choose the file here. Choose the file or drop it here. So let's try to drop it. I'll find a sample file from Google. You can choose whatever you want to file. So yeah. Now I think I just take it from my profile from Facebook. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll just drag it up here. You can see it's changed the file here, and then I can just copy it inside, and then I have a file name here, and I can take in PNG, drop it in here, and that's the Kish PNG. And the logo from Elastic Stack, Kibana log server, and something like that. So I can just drop it inside. I can even drag inside a Vue file, and that's pretty nice. So let's say you have it this nice file uploader. You don't like it as it should be, so you want to have it you need to have it in the plain way, from the good old days. So you can just say plain. I don't know why you should have it in the plain, but could be more reasons. It could be your boss doesn't like the bootstrap way, then you can do it this way. But if it's your boss to say you don't like this way and you only prefer to use this way, then you say you should speak with him, because you can drop it inside here. I can drop it up here. So the old-fashioned way is only allowed to choose it, and yeah, I will not recommend this way. It's so old school, so why use it? The next step we want to speak about, it's how we can multiply uploads, and for this we just copy this up, and I will say multi. And the span here should be selected files, should be with S, and then span, I'll just say v4 index in file tree, and span here. Make a BR for that. That would be nice. And you only need the name from the value. And because the old-fashioned way doesn't support drop, we will remove it and say choose the file here. And we scroll down and let's see what's happening if we go into the browser. I'll just take one file and that's working. If I take two files, now I'll take two files, and you can see we have with comma, and we have selected files here. Both will be here. So now that's how you can work with the multi-upload files if you need that. And I think maybe we have a bug here. No, it's the old bug. Now it's time to speak about how we can allow images file, only PNG or only GIF files or only the .vue files. Yeah, you can just say this file type is allowed and this file type is not allowed. And that's what we're gonna speak about in the editor right now. So we want to copy this and it's going up here. And I removed this one and I'm going up to catches. And I want to say the BR here, drop it file, and what we're gonna do now, it's the for. We don't need this because it doesn't matter. We don't need, it's just about how you can allow it. So mark and button too, because we need more. And here we go. Accept. Okay. Yes, that's the best it should be. But now we will support all the images file. So this one will support images file, everyone. This will support images file with JPG and image files. Choose an image or choose an image file or drop it here. Choose a JPG file or drop it here, and we need one more. We can call it choose a view file, and we can just say .vue, and that's how it's working. Let's go back here. We have three. So the first one, we can say the PNG file here, it's okay. You can see that. And if I try to here, the PNG, it's okay. Normally I would say that should not be available to do, and I really don't know why. And then we have the view file, it should be not. I think something in my stuff here, it's going wrong, so let's see what happened. Nope, it's correct. But that's a pretty good thing why I can do that and doesn't reject it. I need to read a little bit about that, so I will just stop the recording for now and then continue when I know that. To be sure I'm not making a mistake, and I don't know why it's working. Maybe it's a bug in bootstrap-vue. The accept should working. So this is from the documentation. This is a text, and it's saying it should working. So I will just copy this and leave it in my code, so it should working. And I really don't know why it doesn't right now. And if you have a good idea and explanation why it's not working, I'm very interested to know why it's not working, because it's not so cool to show you how it's working and then it doesn't working. So I will leave this so you can see it's in my sample code. That's how it's working. And so yeah, the last thing before we are finished with this, it's how you can format the way your name inside the input here will be. You can see if we have the multi one. Let's say we have the multi one again. I'm going from this one and this one. Then you can see something. It's not fine here. So what I want to do now is I'll list the first file name, and then if it's only one, and if it's more than one, I will list. I will basically list the rest as the count, like 1 and then plus 2, something like that. So let's going back for the editor and read the code. Read the code. Yes, right. I'm so good to change this. So make a B form and file, and then we going inside and say should be a multi. I don't want any stuff here. So, and what I want to do now is I want to build a template, and it should be replaced with the slot called file name, and the slot scope should be names. And then we can just say be budget and should be dark. Names 0. And then we can say be budgets if we got names length more than 1, and variant should be dark, and class should be margin left should be 1, and here we got to say names length more files. So that's how you can change the input field if you want to. And let's drag it over, and now you can see it. It's saying +3, and that's not correct because we show 1, and then we can just say -1 here. Let's going back and see what's happening. And I'm going for my download folder and drag 3 files over, and we'll show the first file and then 2 more files, and that's perfect. That's what we want. So that's how you can work with the bootstrap-vue and the files. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry for the little mistake about how you can accept your file types, and I really hope you know that better than me, and you can smash the comments about what is the problem. Remember to know all my code is free, and you can get it from my GitHub. Just follow the link in the description below. And if you want to subscribe to this channel, I will be very happy. You can just press the thing below in the right corner, and then you are subscribed, and then I will say thank you, of course, and thank you for watching this video for the end. And I really hope you want to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.